Good afternoon and welcome. Today is all about you, frontline people, just doing extraordinary things. You've been nominated by your customers. They've done it because they really appreciate what you do and they want you to receive some recognition. 20,844 nominations, 10 trophies. Our first award is the Customer Commitment Award, and the winner is, from the Leasehold Advisory Service, it's Anna Tomasik.
We chose Anna because her real deep passion for customer service came from her experiences as a child.
What would your family and friends think of you being up here today?
I think we're very, very proud.
The person making this nomination said that finding out about what you have done brought a tear to my eye and warmed my heart.
Keep doing what you're doing, because you're absolutely brilliant.
Thank you for warming so many hearts.
I was bowled over by the enthusiasm.
Amazing. Be very, very proud.
She totally deserves to hear how amazing she is.
Jill, you're fabulous.
Well done, Imperial College London.
He remembered my name, my issues, everything. And then a year later, when there was another issue, I contacted him. He still remembered the whole situation, got onto it, sorted it within the day. And I just had to recognise him, because I've never had that level of service in anything at all.
Be proud, be very proud of what you've achieved. These people have received 100 or more nominations. The 100 Club 2018. Thank you for being someone kind and considerate at times when I just wanted to quit and hide. You are more than an Employee of the Year. You're a lovely human being.
It's just important to use all we can to make sure we do all we can for them, really.
I would like to nominate the staff at Old Oak for their amazing support and contribution in the aftermath of Grenfell. And what difference did this make for the customer?
She's still alive, but I don't think I've ever achieved anything quite as remarkable as that.
Know that you're part of a powerful tide of outstanding customer service that is sweeping the world, making it a better place for millions of people. You are my inspiration.